In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your QuickBooks Online company file to QuickBooks Desktop. We'll walk through the entire process from preparing your online account to exporting the data and finally importing it into QuickBooks Desktop so you can follow along step by step with confidence. First, let's get your QuickBooks Online account ready. Start by logging into your QuickBooks Online company. Before you move anything, you want your books to be as clean and up-to-date as possible. Make sure all of your bank and credit card transactions are properly categorized and reconciled. This helps ensure that what ends up in Desktop actually matches your real financials, and it also reduces the chances of errors or strange balances after the move. If you use QuickBooks Time that's connected to this company, reach out to QuickBooks support for guidance before you migrate. They can help you understand what will and won't carry over. The same idea applies if you use QuickBooks Payroll. Deactivate any employees who have not been paid in the current year so they don't clutter your new file. Also, wait at least 2 to 3 days after your last payroll run before starting the export. That pause gives QuickBooks time to fully process and post all payroll data before you move it. Once your online file is ready, it's time to export your data. In QuickBooks Online, go to the gear icon in the upper right corner and choose Export Data. The system will walk you through some on-screen instructions. Follow those prompts and, when given the choice, select the option to export all financial data. That will include your lists and your transactional history, which is what you usually want when moving into Desktop. You'll be asked to provide basic contact details so QuickBooks can notify you. Enter your name and a working email address. When the export is prepared, you'll receive an email with a link. From that email, download the QBXML file and save it somewhere you can find easily, like your desktop or a dedicated migration folder. Now let's bring that file into QuickBooks Desktop. Before you start, make sure any other QuickBooks Desktop windows or company files are closed. Then open the QuickBooks Desktop migration tool. If you don't already have it, you can find it by searching for it online and installing it. Inside the migration tool, click Browse and navigate to the QBXML file you just downloaded. Select that file, then click Import. The tool will guide you through a series of prompts. Take your time, read each message carefully, and confirm the options that apply to your business. When the import completes, open your new company in QuickBooks Desktop. As a final step, verify that everything transferred correctly. Run key reports such as your profit and loss and balance sheet in both QuickBooks Online and QuickBooks Desktop and compare them for the same date range. If the numbers match, you've successfully moved your company file from QuickBooks Online to QuickBooks Desktop.